Welcome to Eng Quizmaster.
Dig in. Start eating. Chow down. Eat. Feast on. Enjoy eating. Gobble up. Consume. Pig out. Overeat. Tuck in. Start eating eagerly. Polish off. Finish eating. Wolf down. Eat quickly. Munch on. Snack. Nosh on. Eat lightly. Snack on. Nibble. Graze on. Eat intermittently. Bolt down. Eat hastily. Chomp down. Bite vigorously. Gnaw on. Chew persistently. Nibble on. Eat small bites. Chew up. Masticate. Tear into. Start eating eagerly. Cut into. Start eating. Dive into. Begin eating. Scarf down. Eat quickly. Pack away. Eat a lot. Lap up. Consume eagerly. Swallow down. Ingest. Put away. Eat a lot. Dine on. Eat. Partake of. Eat. Gulp down. Drink quickly. Chug down. Drink fast. Slurp up. Drink or eat with a sound. Sip on. Drink slowly. Swig down. Drink in large gulps. Drink up. Finish drinking. Knock back. Drink quickly. Bite into. Start eating. Spoon up. Eat with a spoon. Fork up. Eat with a fork. Spork up. Eat with a spork. Carve up. Cut into pieces to eat. Scrape up. Gather food to eat.